today's video we're going to learn the verbs of type γ4. Ρήματα τύπου γ4. First we're going to go through some of the verbs of type γ4 and then we're going to see one of them being conjugated and then some of the examples with the verbs. Something that I didn't mention before is that the γ4 verbs have the ending of ume. That's what separates them from the rest of the γ verbs. So let's see them now. Αρνούμε, αρνούμε, which means I refuse, I deny. Ασχολούμαι, ασχολούμαι, I'm occupied with. Διηγούμε, διηγούμε, to tell a story. Περιποιούμε, περιποιούμε, I look after myself or I give a good care to someone else or a good service. Συνεννοούμε, συνεννοούμε, to reach an understanding with someone. Απολογούμε, απολογούμε, to defend oneself. Δικαιολογούμε, Συγγνώμη. Δικαιολογούμε, it's another verb, but it's not here. Δικαιούμε, δικαιούμε, to be entitled for something, to be qualified for something. Και τώρα πάμε να δούμε το ρήμα ασχολούμαι. We're gonna go through the verb ασχολούμαι. Εγώ ασχολούμαι, I'm occupied with. Εσύ ασχολείσαι, you are occupied with. Αυτός ασχολείται, he is occupied with. Αυτή ασχολείται, she is occupied with. Αυτό ασχολείται, it is occupied with. Εμείς ασχολούμαστε, we are occupied with. Εσείς ασχολείστε, you are occupied with, plural or polite. Αυτοί ασχολούνται, they are occupied with, they masculine. Αυτές ασχολούνται, they are occupied with, they feminine. Αυτά ασχολούνται, they are occupied with, they neutral. Τώρα κάποιες προτάσεις. And now a couple of sentences. Ο Ανδρέας διηγείται μία ιστορία. Andrea is telling a story. Περιποιούμε τον εαυτό μου κάθε μέρα. I take care of myself, I look after myself every day. Η Μαρία ασχολείται πολύ με τα παιδιά της. Maria is involved a lot with her children. Συνεννοούμαστε μια χαρά με τη γειτόνισσα. We come to an understanding perfectly fine with our neighbor. And that was it for today, guys. These were the verbs of γ4. Αυτά ήταν τα ρήματα τύπου γ4. If the video was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!